Assalamu alaikum. Criticism is a part of our life. If you really want to progress, if you really want to achieve something great, you must need to go through criticism. People will criticize your work, they will say something against you. By seeing their criticism, you shouldn't stop your journey, because a man cannot stop anything by hearing any sort of criticism from the people around him. It's really difficult for an individual to go through to achieve something great without criticism. People around you may not accept your work easily. They may sometimes say against something. They may not accept your things properly. They may not understand your achievement. They may not like your journey. So, on that particular occasion, what do you need to do? You should continue your journey the way you want to. You shouldn't give importance to the criticism of the people around you, but somebody really find something important. Somebody specially criticize in a specific point of your life. You should accept it, and you should try to rectify your mistake that you have made in your previous journey. And you should give importance to the criticisms that will really help you to grow as an individual. If the criticism is a valid one, you should accept it positively. And by hearing the criticism, you should be pleased that you haven't found your mistake by yourself. Somebody have done your work by themselves, what you were supposed to do by yourself. So on that particular occasion, you should accept it in a positive note and try to rectify your mistake and try to do things in the upcoming days that you have done previously through the mistakes, and you should avoid it in the later phase of your life. So whenever you are going through mistakes or you are doing something fantastic, still people will raise questions, people will criticize. It is the nature of people to criticize, and it is very easy to criticize people over people, because criticism is something very easy to put. But if you talking about doing anything great, is always difficult. So if you find yourself in a difficult situation, if you find people around you are criticizing about your work, think you are in the right way. You are doing something great, and you will be achieve something great in the later phase of your life, because criticism shows that you are doing something. Those who are criticizing, they are sitting aloft, they are sitting idly, doing nothing, because a person who is doing something, he or she may not have the time to criticize others' work. So those who are criticizing, most of the people have nothing in their life, have no goal to achieve. So whenever we are doing something, make sure that you should keep doing your work, and you should keep doing it until you will achieve it, until you will reach the destination that you are looking for. So by seeing criticism, hearing criticism, we shouldn't stop our journey. We shouldn't be panicked by thinking a little, and we shouldn't be worried by the criticism that have made by the by the people around us. So these are the things very quite natural in our life. Whenever we are trying to achieve something, whenever we are trying to do something, people around us will certainly raise questions, they will criticize our work, and these are the things that are going through in our life. So we have to accept it in a positive note. And if we really want to do something, we must forget about criticism. We should focus on our work and we should keep doing whatever we are trying to do. These are the things we have to bear in mind when we are trying to achieve something, and this will help us to grow as an individual, grow as a professional. And don't forget about the criticism. Be specific whatever you are trying to achieve. This will really help you to do something great, to achieve something great in the later phase of your life. Thank you very much.